Today I'm going to be putting the #1 ranked copy trader on the platform to the test. For the next 24 hours, every trade they take will be copied directly into my account. And we're going to see exactly what happens. Will it make money? Will it lose? Or is copy trading really as simple as people make it sound? This will be no cherry-picked results and no hiding the losses, just 24 hours of real copy trading. Now I'm going to jump straight into the video and show you how easy this is on PU Prime platform.
This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.
Right, so this is the homepage of PU Prime. As you can see, they are the official partners of the Argentine Football Association. So what you want to do is head up to Client Portal, and that will take you straight into your back office. Now, this is the homepage. We've got $454. We're going to be using $50 on the #1 ranked copy trader. So what you want to do is go down to the left-hand side, copy trader, and then discovery. And then it would instantly come up with top traders. If you want the rank list, just click on this icon here. And we can see that this one is currently returns of 271.32%, rating 107, risk number 3. So all you have to do is simply click on copy, and it will take you to this screen. Copy mode will give you a breakdown, equivalent use margin, fixed lots, fixed multiples. We're going to keep that equivalent used margin, and then we're going to change that to $50, like I said. And then go down, use margin 1, stop loss 65, estimated loss 32.5 USD. You can change this percentage to whichever you wish. If you want to risk 10% per trade, probably a safe bet to do. So we're only losing 5 per trade if it does lose. Take profit, lot round up, and copy opened trades. So strategy can be copied twice a day, current count 1. So we're going to take off the copy open trades. We're going to take that off because if he's currently in drawdown or if he's currently in a trade that isn't going well, we don't want to jump in late to the game. So these will just be from the trades he takes going forward. So once you've done that, you want to click on submit, and then you have been submitted successfully. So we are now set up that, and as you can see, positions, we've got $50. This is the #1 ranked, and total share profit is 0. So I'm going to be coming back to this video in 24 hours time and showing you the exact results we have received in those 24 hours.
Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now, it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages, and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now, no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers, and business data fast. Now, with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable, and insanely powerful. Now, check out that link down below, and let's jump back into the video.
Right, guys, it's been 24 hours, and you can see the profit on the screen. Now, this isn't life-changing money, but you can see how easy it is to make that simple, nice. For example, I set these trades up on the computer just before I went to bed. Went to bed, had the whole day doing what I needed to do, and then check the results 24 hours later, and you can see that the numbers are doing. Like I said, at this rate, we're going to be getting way past that come the end of this year. So it makes total sense. It's completely hands-free. The full information is in this video, but also in the description down below. Nice and easy to set up, completely hands-free, and it takes away the whole psychology of trading that actually 95% of traders struggle with, and only 1% actually gets to withdraw a profit. So if you've got money or you're looking to make that extra hands-free money, then check out this video. Let me know down in the comments your opinion, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.